Great, another video of a Guerrilla Marketing Pro, and I want to offer this to all of you. If you're a marketer, internet marketer, it is only $99 one-time, lifetime Platinum Pro member with Guerrilla Marketing Pro. Now if you look on the left side, there's a lot of tools here, and I'm going to go right through it. Okay, the marketing tools here, you get to create landing pages, capture pages. You can have referral links. You can build an email list with Campaign Builder with an autoresponder. You can broadcast your emails. You can do a form builder as well and put it on your blog site. Create unlimited emails if you upgrade to a Platinum Plus membership, or you can become a $99 one-time lifetime access membership. No monthly fees ever. You don't have to pay any more fees like I did. Now when I got a lifetime membership, I did not pay $99. I had to pay 3 payments of $133, and I did email them and suggested them that they should have a lifetime access membership too, and it was very expensive. But now I guess this month is a pre-launch that will end, and this is just a limited time to pay $99. So take advantage of it because you get a lot of tools here. Okay, so let's get back to the list right there. Okay, so you get the Campaign Builder, you get Team Traffic Rotators, so you can actually promote whatever you have, and it goes to the other members of Guerrilla Marketing Pro members. You get Traffic Tracker, Traffic Stats, your business, set up your business profile, set up your business links. So whoever signs up under you, under Guerrilla Marketing Pro, they will see your profile, they will see your business links. Okay, so let's go back here. Professional banners, you can promote Guerrilla Marketing Pro, and you can get commission with Guerrilla Marketing Pro if you get people signed up under you. So professional banners, they offer that here. I can share it with you. There's all kinds. There's squares, there's banners, and you can just check it out yourself. You can put all this on your blog site, okay, your website too. And you have advertising sources, so if I click on that, you get Safe List advertising area where you can promote all your affiliate marketing, or there's so much to sign up. Look at this list. Okay, and these are really good lists to promote whatever you're promoting, and usually they're all business people that like to everybody attract each other's attention by their offers, and people will buy from you if you're in the right niche. Okay, so you got pre-written swipes here you can send out with your autoresponder. Email squeeze pages, follow-up emails for safe lists, follow-up emails, blind email introduction emails for personal people with autoresponders, follow-up emails, high converting emails, subject lines that convert. Okay, you get all these tools that can help you. You get banner and graphic maker here. You can make graphics, you can make banners too as well. Let's see, you can also create images to video, and I like this one, and I've taken advantage of this. This is a great tool to use with Guerrilla Marketing Pro. You get traffic analytics, traffic tracker, traffic stats, your contacts, your landing page leads that you can generate. Guerrilla Marketing Pro download referrals that you're going to see their lists who have signed up under you. Your Platinum Plus members also are in your list, your contacts. Okay, so your contacts of your people here. I don't use this tool that much, but I might take advantage of it. So you got your contacts, your training, awesome training here. You want to learn how to do Twitter ads, click here. You want to do Facebook ads, click here. Let's see, what else? Your training. You got marketing library here. These are all ebooks that you can actually open up and read them. So there's a lot of training. You got marketing training, a lot of videos here that you can watch and to help your business, take your business to the next level. You got to watch out how other successful people are doing it, and this has been put together from successful entrepreneurs that are running their business. And then you can see your payment and invoice detail here. And as you can see, I paid right here $133 3 times, July, August, and September, to pay off my lifetime membership, where you can now become a platinum lifetime membership only for $99 one time. So never pay another fee. Take advantage of this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.